Warning.
Self-destruct sequence has initiated. All personnel please exit immediately.
Warning.
Self-destruct sequence has initiated.
Warning.
All personnel please exit immediately.
Warning.
Self-destruct sequence has initiated.
Warning.
All personnel please exit immediately.
Warning.
This facility will self-destruct in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Las Vegas has some deep dark secrets that they don't want you to know about. Summer 2021, the mystery will be uncovered. I will be investigating several hotels and properties throughout the Las Vegas Valley. Viewer discretion is advised. These are going to be dangerous scenarios. The Life of JT, a Las Vegas local, will take you on a journey to uncover some of the craziest Las Vegas conspiracies. Finally, the truth will be revealed. Are these stories fact or fiction? Subscribe, because this is a series you're not going to want to miss.